Hey there, welcome to 76 Centennial Drive in Onanole, Manitoba. This 1,070 square foot, 2-bedroom house is right in the heart of Onanole. We are only minutes away from Riding Mountain National Park, where you can enjoy all the amenities that Clear Lake has to offer. But in the same sense, we are downtown in Onanole, where there's the community center right outside your front step. Home Hardware is nice and close. The Fast gas station is just around the corner, as well as Poor Michael's for your morning coffee. It is the perfect location for an all year round house. Now go inside and take a look around.
This certified R2000 home offers superior heating, cooling, and water systems that use as little as half the energy of most other homes. Located on a pie-shaped half-acre lot that is well-treed and has a hedge surround with plenty of space for a garden.
If you have any questions about this property or any others around Riding Mountain National Park, feel free to give me a call. Ryan Shields at the Shields Group at Royal LePage Martin Liberty Realty. Have a great day.